Welcome to Wanderlust Ventures. Today, we explore a question that touches the hearts of over millions of people. Why do Malaysians love their country so much? From the bustling streets of Kuala Lumpur to the tranquil beaches of Sabah and Sarawak, Malaysia is more than just a nation, it's a deep-rooted feeling, a shared identity, and a way of life. Whether you're enjoying a bowl of laksa in Penang or watching the sunrise over Mount Kinabalu, there's a quiet pride in every heartbeat that says, "This is my home." But what exactly makes Malaysians so emotionally attached to their land? Is it the food, the culture, the people, or is it something deeper? Let's unfold the emotional, cultural, and historical reasons why Malaysians are incredibly proud and in love with their homeland. And if you're watching from outside Malaysia, get ready to feel the warmth of this special connection. Multicultural harmony that feels like family. One of the greatest reasons Malaysians love their country is its diversity, and how that diversity thrives in harmony. Malaysia is home to three main ethnic groups: Malays, Chinese, and Indians, along with indigenous communities like the Orang Asli, Kadazandusun, Iban, and many others. Despite differences in language, religion, and tradition, Malaysians celebrate each other's cultures proudly. Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, Gawai, every festival becomes a national celebration. This sense of acceptance and multicultural living is deeply embedded in the Malaysian identity. Schools, offices, and neighborhoods are often beautifully mixed, creating lifelong friendships and a sense of Rojak-style unity. It's not just tolerance, it's love and mutual respect. Subscribe if you believe diversity is Malaysia's greatest strength. World-class food culture. Ask any Malaysian living abroad what they miss most, and the answer is almost always the food. Malaysia is a food paradise. From the sweet and spicy flavors of nasi lemak to the smoky aroma of satay, the chewy goodness of roti canai, or the layered spices of laksa, every bite tells a story of culture, migration, and love. Street food in Penang, night markets in Johor, and mamak stalls in Kuala Lumpur offer more than meals, they offer memories, laughter, and late-night bonding. Food is a big part of why Malaysians feel deeply connected to home. It's not just about eating, it's about belonging. Loudspeaker comment your favorite Malaysian dish below. Natural beauty and biodiversity. Malaysia is one of the most naturally blessed countries in Southeast Asia. From the limestone caves of Bada Caves to the emerald waters of the Perhentian Islands, the country offers breathtaking scenery. In East Malaysia, you find rainforests older than the Amazon, while in West Malaysia, you experience highland retreats like Cameron Highlands or coastal gems like Langkawi. Many Malaysians grow up visiting these places during school holidays or family trips, building strong emotional connections with the land. Malaysia is also home to thousands of plant and animal species, including orangutans, hornbills, and rare orchids. There's deep pride in knowing your country is part of the planet's ecological treasure chest. Preserving nature is more than a task, it's a duty many Malaysians take seriously. Strong sense of community and family values. Malaysians are known for their warmth, generosity, and strong family bonds. Whether it's visiting your kampung, hometown, during festive seasons or helping your neighbor in times of need, the spirit of gotong royong, mutual cooperation, runs deep. Community ties are strong, you can always count on a friend, relative, or even a stranger to lend a hand. From weddings to funerals, Malaysians show up for each other in beautiful, heartfelt ways. This tight-knit sense of belonging gives people a deep emotional attachment to their homeland. It's not just the buildings or cities, it's the people that make Malaysia feel like home. Pride in independence and national history. Malaysians are proud of their journey from colonial rule to independence. The story of Merdeka, independence, in 1957 is not just history, it's a symbol of national unity and strength. Tunku Abdul Rahman's iconic Merdeka cry echoes in every Malaysian heart. Annual National Day parades, flag-waving ceremonies, and patriotic songs like Tanggal 31 and Negaraku bring tears to many eyes. National heroes are respected, history is taught with pride, and monuments like Dataran Merdeka remind Malaysians of how far they've come. That deep sense of struggle, resilience, and pride is why Malaysians hold their country so close. Affordable living and local comforts. Compared to many countries, Malaysia offers an affordable and comfortable lifestyle. Whether it's public healthcare, locally grown food, or public transport, Malaysians enjoy many conveniences that improve quality of life. Despite inflation and challenges, there's an underlying appreciation for local brands, traditional markets, and the Kapitiam culture. You can enjoy both urban living and kampung peace, often within a short drive. That balance of modernity and tradition is something Malaysians truly cherish. Resilience in crisis. In times of floods, pandemics, or economic downturns, Malaysians have shown incredible unity and strength. During COVID-19, hashtags like #KitaJagaKita, we take care of each other, became a movement. Volunteers distributed food, NGOs supported the poor, and neighbors looked after one another. Natural disasters often bring out the best in the people. Donations, food drives, and rescue missions are run by everyday Malaysians who care deeply for their fellow citizens. This compassion, this togetherness, it's why Malaysians say, we're more than a country, we're a family. So, why do Malaysians love their country so much? It's not just about land, borders, or flags. It's about the shared food, shared values, shared history, and above all, shared hearts. Malaysians are proud of their diversity, resilient in hardship, and always ready to celebrate what makes them unique. Whether you're a Malaysian living abroad or someone curious about this nation, you'll notice one thing quickly: Malaysians talk about their country with passion, pride, and a little sparkle in their eyes. Because Malaysia is not just where they live, it's who they are. What do you love most about Malaysia? Comment below and let your voice be heard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories from around the world, only on Wanderlust Ventures.